Hey guys, so it's the next day after I did the L.C.O method on this side of my hair and the moisturize and seal on this side of my hair. I just want to give you some insight on what I experienced overnight. Well, this morning when I woke up. So I did my hair yesterday around 5 something in the evening, and I'm going to tell you guys something. Look at the shrinkage of my hair on this side. So this is the L.C.O method, which is liquid, cream, and oil. And I'll have that video linked to this video so that you can see what I'm talking about. And I use that Blue Magic leave-in conditioner, the Herbal Complex Argan Oil one. And I can tell you guys, I knew my hair was going to shrink up, and that's exactly what happened. So last night before I went to bed, I had twisted my hair up like this and put a band on the ends on each side. And when I got up this morning, this hair was still wet. There she goes. She's going to start barking. Hey, I'm making a video. Sorry guys. So yeah, I had woke up this morning and my hair was still wet. Some of it was damp, other spots was wet. And that just goes to show how hydrating that particular leave-in conditioner is. I mean, when I tell you guys that conditioner is really hydrating and juicy, yeah, it is really hydrating and juicy. So I think I'll probably use that leave-in conditioner mainly in the summertime when it's really hot, because I don't need to be going to work in the morning with a wet head. That's exactly what I did too. So this is the L.C.O side. So I'm going to take down my hair on this side and show you my moisturize and seal side. On this side, so I use the Argan Oil Blue Magic leave-in conditioner on this side, and I use my Blue Magic Super Sure Grow hair grease on that side. This side I use my excuse me, I use my Marks Lano Luster, which is a real heavy moisturizer, and I use the same oil hair grease on this side too. So I have shrinkage over here too, but not like this side. So the L.C.O side shrinks up more hang time on this side, more shrinkage on this side. So this side was sort of dry when I woke up. It was not all the way dry, but it was way more dry. It was dry within an hour after I woke up. So yes guys, I went to work looking just like this, and I was daring anybody to say anything to me about how I was looking. So I just want to give you an update on that. And both techniques are really great, and both techniques are moisturizing and sealing. It's just that the technique is different and the products is different. That's it. But in the end, you're going to get the same moisturize and oil feel on both sides. So yeah, that's it guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm on my way to the gym. I hope they don't say anything about my hair, but if they do, oh well. So I'm going to put my band back over here. And tie this up. I probably put both of my ponytails in one ponytail, because I don't like when my hair touch me, especially when I'm working out. I have to concentrate. So that's it guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Ah! It came back down. Come back up. Bye guys.